How to turn on or turn off Apple Intelligence and Siri suggest apps before searching on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now in here, we then scroll down, and in the Suggestions section, tap on Suggest Apps before searching. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. So when this is turned on, your iPhone will suggest apps before searching. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.